Happy March Queen. I think today is a good day to talk about updating your website for the spring. So let's get into it. I've got 5 things that you can do. Starting off with checking your site speed. Ideally, you want your page load speed to be 2 to 3 seconds. If it's any faster, then I highly recommend checking to see what you can do to make sure that it's loading as quickly as possible because otherwise people get bored and wander off. Number 2, check your site to see if there are any errors or issues that you need to fix, anything from broken links to proofreading issues and typos on the page. This is also a really good time to address any issues that have been brought to your attention by your customers. Number 3, update your content. Refresh your content, make sure you're including keywords that people are going to be searching for. And this is also a really good time to integrate any testimonials into your actual product pages or even create some case studies, which I actually just did. Number 4, update all of the calls to action on your site. Make sure that they're all up to date. Make sure that you are telling people exactly what you want to do and leading them through your website in a way that makes the most sense for you. And finally, do a mobile review of your site. Once you've gone through and updated everything, pull it up on your phone and check to make sure that the experience on your phone is the best that it could possibly be. Because if I pull up your site and I can't navigate it because the pop-ups are blocking everything and it's just overly complicated, I'm likely going to bounce. So make sure that it's as easy to use on your phone as it is on a computer. And you can also take this opportunity to engage in dialogue with your customers and ask them what improvements they'd like to see and then integrate those. And then you can turn around and create some behind the scenes footage of you fixing those errors, turn it into content, and engage your audience even further. That was just a bonus tip, but ultimately you want to make sure that your website is easy to use and also easy to discover. If you want to get deeper into how to make your website easy to discover, take a look at my free case study video, How to Get Publicity for Your Business Without Breaking the Bank. All you have to do is enter your best email address and you'll get instant access to it.